It's a great day for keto. My name is Liftar, and I'm bringing you today's keto tip. Welcome. Today's keto bite, keto at Ruby Tuesday. The menu for keto at Ruby Tuesday is really big. It's almost like they designed it just for us. This chain was founded by some college kids back in 1972. A man who owned some pizza shops gave a $10,000 grant to a student. He raised another 10 grand from some buddies, and the rest is history. And yes, it was named after the Rolling Stones song of the same name, which is why every time I drive by one of those places, I start singing that song. They've had some ups and downs because they were heavily located in malls originally, and malls have been steadily decreasing in popularity. So they just had less and less customers coming by. But for our keto purposes, Ruby Tuesday couldn't be better. They have around 20 meat items on the menu along with plenty of veggies and a big salad bar. You could eat there for days and days and never have the same thing twice. All their meats come plain, meaning they're not marinated. This means you can order anything on the menu without the sauce. It opens up the whole menu to our low-carb desires. The top dish at Ruby Tuesday, which we recommend, blackened tilapia, grilled zucchini on the side. For meats that are keto compatible, they have grilled tilapia, beef hamburger patty, grilled shrimp, blackened tilapia, turkey burger patty, blackened fish, grilled chicken, steak, all of the steak cuts are good, salmon, grilled lobster tail, chicken bella, hold the sauce, bison patty, and turkey burger patty. For cheeses, which are low carb, white cheddar cheese, blue cheese, cheddar cheese. For veggies, they have avocado, sautéed portobello mushrooms, steamed broccolini, and grilled zucchini. Then they have a giant salad bar, which includes baby spinach, banana peppers, field greens, iceberg lettuce, grape tomatoes, hard-boiled chopped egg, romaine lettuce, shredded kale, artichoke hearts, broccolini, bell pepper, mushrooms, black olives, diced cucumber, sunflower seeds, celery, blue cheese, diced ham, diced chicken, tuna salad, cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese. Whoosh. For sauces, they have red wine vinegar or olive oil. And to drink, water or unsweetened tea. The ability to get a full keto meal at Ruby Tuesday is great news if you live near one. It's almost a keto paradise. So, hello Ruby Tuesday. And that's today's Keto Bite. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.